Fall gardening can be more rewarding than you think. By using companion planting, your vegetables won't just survive, they'll thrive. Companion planting is the practice of pairing certain crops so they support each other's growth. This improves soil health, reduces pests, and creates a more abundant harvest. Let's explore the best plant pairings for your fall garden and exactly how to grow them. Carrots and onions make the perfect pair. Carrots grow deep underground while onions stay near the surface. The onion's scent keeps carrot flies away, protecting your harvest. Choose a sunny bed with loose, sandy soil. Sow carrot seeds in rows about 12 inches apart. Place small onion sets between the carrot rows. Water regularly, but avoid soaking the soil. Thin carrots so they have 2 to 3 inches of space. Keep the bed weed-free to prevent pests. Harvest carrots when they reach your desired size, and pick onions when their tops dry and fall over. Rotate this pairing next season to keep your soil healthy. Spinach and strawberries support each other beautifully. Spinach shades strawberries on hot days, while strawberries attract pollinators. Start spinach in spring and plant strawberries in fall. Use rich, well-draining soil and keep it moist. Plant spinach along the edges with strawberries in sunny spots. Mulch to lock in moisture and water at the base. Pick spinach leaves often to encourage growth, and harvest strawberries when they're bright red and glossy. Kale and garlic thrive together. Garlic's strong aroma repels aphids, protecting kale from damage. Set kale seedlings 18 inches apart. Plant garlic cloves every 6 inches in the same bed. Add compost for nutrients, water regularly, and mulch lightly to retain moisture. You'll enjoy crunchy kale leaves and flavorful garlic bulbs all season long. For a space-saving, high-yield harvest, plant peas and carrots together. Peas fix nitrogen in the soil, boosting carrot growth. Grow peas and carrots in rows about 18 inches apart. Support pea vines with a trellis to keep them upright. Mulch lightly to conserve water and reduce weeds. Enjoy peas first, then a steady crop of carrots later in the season. Lettuce and radishes are fast-growing companions. Radishes loosen the soil, making space for lettuce roots to thrive. Sow radish seeds in rows, leaving spaces for lettuce seedlings. When radishes sprout, plant lettuce in the gaps. Keep soil moist and protect young plants with a row cover. Pick radishes while crisp and harvest lettuce leaves as needed for fresh salads. Broccoli loves cool days, and sage protects it from pests like aphids and cabbage moths. Plant broccoli seedlings 18 inches apart. Place sage nearby so its aroma keeps pests away. Mulch around broccoli to retain moisture and block weeds. Pick broccoli when the heads are tight and firm, and trim sage leaves as needed. Brussels sprouts and thyme work in harmony. Thyme deters pests, covers soil, and enhances flavor in the kitchen. Space sprouts 24 inches apart. Tuck thyme between rows to fill gaps and cover soil. Water at the base, mulch lightly, and trim thyme sprigs as you cook. Cucumbers and beans thrive in vertical gardening. Beans enrich the soil with nitrogen, while cucumbers climb alongside them. Use a sturdy trellis in full sun. Plant cucumber seeds at the base, with beans around the sides. Water deeply, and train vines as they grow. Pick cucumbers when firm and beans before seeds bulge. Turnips and mustard greens make the most of shared space. Turnips grow underground while mustard greens thrive above. Space turnips 6 inches apart. Plant mustard greens nearby. Water consistently and use nitrogen-rich fertilizer. Pull turnips when roots swell and harvest mustard greens often for fresh flavor. Squash and corn are a timeless duo. Corn provides natural support, while squash shades the soil and keeps weeds down. Plant corn in sunny rows. Arrange squash seedlings around the base. Mulch well to conserve water. Pick squash when the rind is hard and corn when kernels are plump. Companion planting helps you grow healthier crops, reduce pests naturally, and maximize space. With these plant pairings, your fall garden will be abundant and thriving. Be sure to check out this video for more.